We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. I hate Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
And you know, it's September already, which means a lot of schools are back to school right now. And so I thought, we talk about school. 所以现在已经开学了，对不对？
没错。
所以我要跟你说，因为 Alice 呢是我的老师，而且这个月还有教师节，对不对？所以我要现在跟他講新生活啊。
你好，唔該，企起來行禮。
企起來？我不企對。
企起來，站起來。
我要去哪裡？去希臘還是這樣？你要叫我站起來啊？
站起來，企起來，行禮。
行禮，新生活。
新生活。
你好兇啊，害我好緊張哦。
你係轉經啊？
新生活。
新生活。
新生活。Okay. By the way, what we're doing right here, because in the Chinese culture, when you go into a classroom and when the teacher walks into a classroom, all the students have to stand up. 要起立。要起立。怎麼講？企起來。企起來。行禮。行禮就敬禮。就是敬禮。Okay, so 企起來 means please stand up. Okay, and then 敬禮。行禮。行禮就行禮了哈。行禮 that means salute. 講一聲新生活。新生活 that means hi teacher, are you having a good day basically, right? So those are some of the formalities when you go into a classroom here in Taiwan. Okay, but since school is in session, let's talk about a few terms that are related with going back to school. For instance, 剛剛講開學，你說怎麼說？開學了。哦，開學了。開學了。開心的感覺哈。好，再來呢，就是要買課本哦。You gotta buy a lot of textbooks. 課本。課本。Okay. And then you gotta pay tuition, unfortunately. 學費。學費. Okay, that's tuition. So let's review some of those terms. Please stand up. 起立。企起來。企起來。企起來。I'm trying to rap, 因為阿姆有一個就是 please stand up. Okay, 敬禮 salute. 行禮。行禮。老師好就是新生活，這我一定要記得。新生活，唔通先生哦。開學了 ，start of a semester。開學了。課本 textbooks。課本 and finally tuition 學費。學費。Well, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day. 什麼大家？俺子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.